How to download offline maps in Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to the video, and today we'll learn how to download offline maps in Google Maps. Now if you want to download offline maps, I'm here to help. Just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. First, open the Google Maps application from your phone. In here you will see different options. Just tap on your profile icon at the top right and you will see this menu. In here you will see offline maps. Tap on that option and at the top you will see select your own map option. Tap on that and select the map you want to download. At the bottom you will see download option. Tap on that. Now you can see your map is downloading below, and that's all. I hope this video will help you. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them into the comments. I'll meet you next video. Thank you and bye bye.